Hello everyone. So this is a story about my missing ticket. I still remember that day very well. It was a good sunny morning in Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. I was so happy that I was going back home after completing my 1 year of engineering. I was very happy because I was going away from that scorching heat of Tamil Nadu in May, and I was going to be a senior after that day. I was packing my bags and I was very bad at it. I did not get any skill from my mother about packing bags, and I was also running late. So at the last minute, I remember that I did not print my ticket, and I also wanted to pack some snacks. Luckily, from that month, Indian Railways had allowed to show ticket on SMS or phone, so that they wanted to go paperless. But I thought, let's print the ticket because who knows, it takes time to settle things in India. So I rushed to our shopping center, bought some snacks and my railway ticket, and came back to my hostel. I was already running late. The cab driver had already arrived, and he was shouting to me that we need to leave so that I could catch a train in time. So I packed the things very fast, and my roommate was not there in the room that time. I remember. So I did not even say goodbye to him. So I just pulled one paper. I wrote a goodbye note to him, stick it on the wall, and went. I also faced some traffic that day. It made me very anxious, and the cab driver did not stop uh, talking to me. So finally, I reached the railway station, and train was about to leave in next 2 to 3 minutes. The AC coaches were far at the far end, so I decided to just get in and move from inside. When I reached my seat and settled my luggage, I was relieved that okay, finally I made it. After some time, the TT came and he asked for the ticket. Very proudly, I showed the phone. Okay, I have the ticket in my phone. And he checked for a minute or two, and he said, the while taking the Tatkal ticket, the PAN card number which I had noted in that ticket, it's wrong. So I was surprised. I thought for a minute, and of course it was, because my roommate booked the ticket for me when he was booking for his ticket, and by mistake he entered his PAN card number. Now the TT said, the next option is you show me the print copy of the ticket which he will keep as a for the record. So I thought okay, I have prepared for the plan B. So I just opened my wallet, and voila, there was no ticket. I was completely shocked. I started searching in my bag. Thought I packed in rush, so maybe I had kept it somewhere. But I could not find my ticket. The TT started feeling that I am trying to fool him, that I just boarded a train. I tried to convince him a lot, but he did not get convinced. He was very disciplined and strict. He offered me two options. Option one was to get down the train on the next station, which was not possible for me because I did not speak the language that time. Even today, I can speak very few words in Tamil. But that time it was very difficult to get down in a very and some random railway station, and so that was not an option. Second option was he said buy the new ticket at 3,500 rupees. I checked cash in my wallet. I did not have that much cash, so that option was also out. So I tried to convince him, and he suggested another option. He said, whatever cash you have, you buy a sleeper class ticket. So I had 2,000 rupees cash in my wallet. I bought a sleeper class ticket. I moved my luggage again from that coach to sleeper class, and finally I settled. But for the entire journey, I did not have a single rupee to spend for anything. That day, especially, the pantry food was very tempting, but I could not buy anything. Luckily, I had some snacks, so I finished that. There was an old couple, so they were very kind, so they shared some food for the dinner. Finally, I reached my home, and I tried to forget this horrible experience. My mother made delicious new dishes every day for the next 2 months, and I finally forgot the experience. 2 months back, 2 months later, I returned to the college as a senior. When I reached my hostel room, my roommate was not there. He was going to come back a day later. that you remember that goodbye note I wrote, yeah, that was still there on the wall. So I just tore it down, and guess what? That was my missing ticket. Thank you.